In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Alibaba product video. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to save a product video from Alibaba using a free browser extension. Use downloads responsibly and follow the platform's terms and the seller's permissions. Start by opening your browser and heading to alibaba.com. Let that page load because we'll come back to it in a moment. Now open another tab so you can grab the tool we need. In the new tab, search for Chrome Web Store, then open the official Chrome Web Store page. Inside the store's search bar, type Alibaba Download Video and Image. You should see an extension designed specifically for saving media from Alibaba product pages. Select it, then choose Add to Chrome to install the extension. Installation is quick. Once it's ready, switch back to your Alibaba tab. On Alibaba, browse or search for any product you're interested in and open its product page. With the page fully loaded, you'll notice an overlay button from the extension appear on the screen. Click that overlay to open the downloader panel. In the panel, look for the Save Image option and click it. Don't worry about the wording. This is the entry point to all available assets, including the product video. In the asset list, choose the video item. If other items like thumbnails or gallery images are selected, uncheck them so you're grabbing the video only. Keeping only the video selected helps avoid extra downloads you don't need. When you're set, click the download icon or logo to start the download. The video will save to your default downloads location. If you're not sure where that is, it's usually the downloads folder your browser uses. From there, you can rename the file and move it into your project folder for easy access. That's the full workflow. Open Alibaba, open a new tab to find the Chrome Web Store, search for the Alibaba Download Video and Image extension, add it to Chrome, return to a product page, open the extension overlay, click Save Image to view assets, select only the video, uncheck everything else, and hit the download icon. Repeat the same steps for any other product pages. If a video doesn't appear, refresh the page and make sure it has fully loaded before opening the overlay. This method is quick and keeps your workflow simple, whether you're compiling a product catalog or collecting examples for research. Always credit sources when appropriate and comply with any applicable licensing terms. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.